Greetings from Asktenali, and today I will be talking about polite conversations in social gatherings. Sam is working as a marketing executive in a company, and he has to attend many social gatherings organized by his organization and also by others in the industry. He has a doubt how to conduct himself, how to have conversations with others, which topic he can talk, and which topics he should avoid at these social gatherings. First thing is I would like to suggest is some of the topics can be avoided, and these include politics. Now everyone has their own way of thought or thinking about politics, and this is one topic we should generally avoid because people may have strong feelings. Sex, it's a taboo, and many of the places it's best not to discuss into that. Office gossip. Now, these office gossips are heresies. Somebody has heard something and they pass it on to other as a fact. And this may not be based on truth. So it is also subject to individuals' opinions. So it's better to avoid or probably listen and carry forward to others something which has emanated as gossip. Jokes and humor. Now, this is a very sensitive subject. If it is insulting to others or it is does not conform to cross-cultural sensitivities, this might create problems. It's best to avoid jokes, and we should not also comment on somebody's inadequacies. Some people may have difficulties, some people may have specific health problems. We are not supposed to discuss those things in social events. And sometimes there are topics, sometimes which the boss and the colleagues may not want to discuss. It's better to avoid and unwanted topics, irrelevant topics, which has got nothing to do with the event. Why we tell that it's better to avoid these topics are some of the topics might be sensitive, some of them will be offending, and they may not be professional at the first place. So if you are in a social gathering, ensure that these topics are best avoided. And the topics can be general and can be talking about weather, environment, or any other common topic which is of use, which is relevant, as well as not offending others. We at Asktenali conduct a number of seminars, and we are welcome to visit our website www.asktenali.com. Thanks for joining us.